You are going to love the 2019 Infiniti Qx80. If you are in the market for a full-size luxury SUV with all the latest technology to make driving easier, look no further than the Infiniti Qx80. It packs a strong engine, excellent manners, and a well-equipped cabin. The Qx80 is the most fuel-efficient of its kind. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, power moonroof, rain sensing wipers, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.